Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on OPPO A78. So first go into the quick settings, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it once again. Then click the arrow next to the Wi-Fi and more. Now click the information icon and forget the network. Wait a couple of seconds and then try to connect once again. I wanted to forget. Okay, now try to connect once again by typing in the password. I think I done it correctly. Okay, now it is connected. If it's still not working for you, then you need to try restart the router and your phone. I don't have access to my router right now, so I won't tell you and show you how to do it, but you can find the video on our channel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.